Hello all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you. Adwaita Solutions is hiring through us. So they are hiring for network admin, and let us see who are all eligible for this notification. So coming to the eligibility criteria, BE Tech candidates who are meeting the skill set or who are meeting all these details can apply for this job notification. And coming to the salary offered, it is 30,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees, and coming to the work location, it is in Bangalore, Banashankari. So now let us talk about the job roles and responsibilities. Answering customer inquiries and listen to their problems, and next, troubleshooting customer reported problems, remote support and on-site support, identifying root causes for the problems, taking corrective and preventive steps, installation of OS and software, providing training to the customer on software and solutions, product demonstration to customers, generating problem reports, logging issues, escalating of critical issues. So what are the desired skills they are looking for? Good reasoning, analytical skills, good listening skills. Obviously, you should also know about these. So guys, if you are meeting this eligibility criteria, I have already kept the link in the description below. Just go there, click on the link, come to this page and apply for your interview process. So all the best guys, we are coming back with much more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.